Hey guys, what's up? It's Claire here. Welcome back to my channel. So I have some super exciting news. Pink sent me a holiday present and I'm so excited. I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to do a little unboxing and a little reveal of my Pink Campus Rep holiday present. And as I just said, I'm a Pink Campus Rep for Auburn University, and so Pink likes to send us really fun presents like all the time. They spoil us so hard and I love Pink to death. Like, they are just honestly the best. And so I just wanted to show y'all what they sent me for my holiday present, and it came in this big old box. And so I'm just gonna open this for you guys. So today's video is not gonna be like super duper long, but at the end of this video I am gonna be announcing the winner to my Christmas holiday giveaway. And again, I'm gonna say this later, if you did not win this giveaway, don't worry, because I have a special giveaway coming next month, I believe. So yeah, so the first thing when I open this box, it has a little letter, and honestly just any type of letter makes me feel just so important. So it says, "Happy Holidays!" 3 exclamation points. "We are so proud of all the hard work, creativity, and passion you have brought to your school's Pink program this fall. We cannot wait to see all of the amazing things you'll accomplish in 2019. We hope you love these new Pink items and also hope you get to relax and enjoy your time off from school this holiday season. Love, Pink." And so yeah, it's got just like the little Pink logo in the background. It's just so special. And everything in this box smells good because I'm gonna have some Pink beauty stuff that I'm gonna be showing you in here, and it makes everything just smell amazing. And sorry if the lighting is like a little dull. It's like 4:30 right now and it's been super cloudy like all day long. Also, this little onesie I'm wearing is from Pink. They gave this to us on our incentive trip that we went on to LA earlier, like a couple weeks ago, and it is just so comfy and cozy. I love it. So anyway, back to the point of this video. The very first thing that you're gonna see, well, maybe not the very first thing, one of the first things that they sent us were these cozy high-waist leggings. And I'm not gonna do a try-on haul in this video because I have a ton of new Pink stuff right now. So I'm probably gonna do a Pink haul video coming soon of all the new Pink stuff, and I'm gonna do that as a try-on. But these leggings they sent, like, I've never really seen any kind of leggings like this. So again, these are the cozy high-waist legging, and they're kind of like lined with like that fleecy material, so they're good to keep you warm. But look at the lace up, like that's just such a cute little detail thing. And I tried them on and they fit like super good. They are in a medium, and so yeah, they're just super cozy, and they'd be super cute with like a little crop top, or if you don't want to wear them with a crop at all, they're just super cute, and they're just black all the way down. Bottom, they do have the little pink dog, which I like a little subtle. Let's see if it'll focus. But yeah, so that's a little doggy, so cute. So yeah, I'm in love with these cozy leggings. And to go with my new cozy leggings, they sent us this super duper cute, like, what is this? It's like just like a sweatshirt type thing with like the circular neck type thing, little scoop neck. I don't know what you would call this, but it's just super duper cute, and it's like great. And things like this are things that are like practical that I'll wear like these like every day to class. So this is probably gonna be my January outfit like at least once a week. And so yeah, it's kind of like big and baggy and just makes you feel like super cozy, so it's perfect to go with the leggings. So yeah, again, this is probably what I'm gonna wear to class and just out and about every day in January, honestly. Okay, so I love me some fuzzy socks. So they sent us 2 pair of these fuzzy crew socks. They sent us this beautiful little light blue seafoam green pair, and then also these black and white polka dot fuzzy socks. And so yeah, I'm gonna open these while we're at it because I haven't even taken them out of the package. I wear socks like this like every single day, with even if it's like just tennis shoes, whatever, like Ugg boots, anything. These are like my go-to type of socks. I probably should have cut the tag off instead of pulling it off. Especially love these polka dot ones because, you know, I live in like black and white everything. Next thing they sent, I think it's so cute for holiday. They sent us this bra, and this is the Wear Everywhere wireless lightly lined bra, and I love this. This screams like December everywhere. So it's super cute, and it's got the pink band around the bottom with like a little glittery gold strap running through it. And so it's just super cute and plaid. And I personally, like, I have like 7 of these bras in like different colors, like just plain white, nude, you know, because I love like the lightly lined bras that don't have the wiring in them, because that's just a good, if you don't want to wear a sports bra. If I don't wear a sports bra or like a sticky bra, I'll wear one of these because I don't enjoy wearing bras. So that is what I wear. And next, probably one of the most exciting things that they sent us is this big box of Pink Beauty. So first they sent us a letter that says, it's from Pink Beauty, and it says, "You seriously glow, girl." And to say thank you for being you and for being part of the Pink Beauty team, we're gifting over some sparkly skin loving spa sesh worthy goodies to get you through the season. Snap a pic, hashtag it up, and we'll be in touch in 2019. XO Pink Beauty. And then the hashtag, if you have any pink beauty items you want to show off, do hashtag PINKBTY. So pink and then beauty for short. So yeah, it's just super cute little letter. Anytime they send like any kind of letter with anything, it's just like, Pink loves me. That's just so sweet. And this is like a mega beauty box right here. Okay, so I think this is in store. I don't know though. It has like a tag on the back as if it is like from stores, so I don't know for sure, but I know all of these items individually are in stores. So you have the pink cocoa lotion, which y'all have heard me rave about every single item in here, honestly. You have Selfie Skin Nourishing Sheet Mask. You have Unicorn Vibes Vanilla Sugar Bath Bomb. You have the Soap and Skin Dual Phase Body Wash. You have Olive Dream Body Mist, which y'all know I love that. And then you have the, well, I think that's it actually. That is it. So I was just reading like everything that was on the back. But yeah, this is like a ginormous box, and I have everything that is in here. I am low on my coconut oil body wash, but I have 2 of the lotions because like I love that lotion so much. I bought it on my own. I have so many of these bath bombs, so many of these sheet masks, and I have like 3 of these Olive Dream body mists. So I may actually be giving some of this stuff away in a giveaway because I want y'all to experience Pink Beauty as well and see why I love it. And it smells good, especially like this cocoa lime. I'm not big one on like using different lotions. Like y'all know I love baby lotion. Like I like lotions that are like nourishing to the skin, and this cocoa lotion has coconut oil in it, so it really like, it doesn't make you sticky. You know how sometimes you'll get those lotions that smell like really, really good, but they leave you sticky feeling? This is like super duper hydrating. And the body wash, I like to use like a different body wash to rinse off my body, but then at the end of my shower I always like run some of it all over my body and like rub it in, and then when I get out of the shower I smell like the coconut oil body wash. And the sheet masks, they make your skin just feel good and smell good. The bath bombs are amazing. It took me a while to try a bath bomb, honestly. Like I did not try a bath bomb up until like a year ago because they freaked me out. But that's a different story. That's personal. And then the Olive Dream body mist, y'all know I love that. It smells so good. I also love the Urban Bouquet. Is probably like my number 1 favorite, and then the Neon Coast is like my number 2. So yeah, this is just like so nice of them to send us this ginormous thing. And then plus all the clothes and stuff. So yeah, Pink sends us stuff all the time. I actually just opened a ginormous box of stuff they just sent to my house today. But I'm gonna be taking some pictures of that for Instagram, and I'll be doing a haul probably in a couple of weeks because so this video is going up today, and I'm gonna be announcing the giveaway winner. And then starting tomorrow and throughout the week, I'm gonna be uploading different parts of my New York City vlog. And then next weekend, I'm gonna be in Disney World. So it's very, very exciting. It's a very exciting time. And so yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I have so many exciting things to come, so many Pink hauls coming. And so yeah, and right now we're gonna switch to a different clip. I'm filming this on a Friday, but I'm not gonna upload it till later on Saturday because my giveaway is about to end. So yeah, we're about to switch into the next video. But again, thank you so much, Pink, for sending me all of these amazing holiday items. I'm in love with the leggings especially. That's honestly probably my favorite thing of this whole entire thing because I've never seen leggings like that are like casual leggings. You know, you see like the dressier, more expensive leggings, but those are just like everyday cute leggings. So can't wait to rock those. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video, but right now we're gonna switch it to me announcing the giveaway winner. So yeah, today is the day that I announced my giveaway winner, and right now it is 1:19 on December 22nd, if you can see that. Sorry, that's my puppy dog. Giveaway winner is being announced today. Ignore the fact that my bangs are like way too long and I'm barefaced right now. I've been spending the past hour going through all of the giveaway entries and doing all the little calculations and stuff. But I've kind of been keeping up with it over the past couple weeks that it's been live. So yeah, today I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner. And again, if you do not win this giveaway, it is no big deal because I have a giveaway coming literally in like less than a month. And that one is going to be a pink themed giveaway from like Victoria's Secret Pink. And then after that, I already have stuff like lined up for the next giveaways. So that's why I decided not to do like a huge Christmas giveaway, because I want to keep them coming to thank you guys for watching my channel, because it really does mean a lot to me, like all of your feedback and support and all that stuff. But yeah, so after going through all of the giveaway entries for this giveaway, I literally have people like entering right now. So yeah, but it is closed. So the giveaway winner for this giveaway is, drumroll, Emily Stabler. So I want to say thank you to Emily Stabler for entering my giveaway. It means so much to me. And I also want to thank all of you. So let's be super happy for Emily and congratulate her in winning this giveaway. So again, if you did not win this giveaway, it's a-okay. You have so many more chances to win. I'm new on YouTube, and so yeah, there's a long journey ahead. So yeah, I'm going to be contacting Emily in a bit after this video goes up. And so yeah, I will see all of y'all in my next video. Again, be super happy for her. All positive vibes. Have so many exciting things coming. I'm going to Disney World next week. I'm about to be posting my New York City vlogs starting this week. I'm probably not going to post tomorrow on Sunday, and I'm probably not going to post again until like Wednesday, because I'm going to wait till after Christmas really probably. And then I'll get back to like my regular schedule. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video, and I cannot wait for the next giveaway. It's going to be really cool. I have some pink beauty, pink accessories, and some more pink surprises that you're going to love. So yeah, again, let's just all congratulate Emily. And you want to make a cameo? Say hello. Say hello. This is my puppy dog. Say hey. Okay, she just wanted to say hey, guys. Okay, so I will see y'all in my next video, and I can't wait. So y'all have a great day wherever you are, and I love you. Mwah.